Hello students, welcome to official YouTube channel of SRN International School, Jagatpura, Jaipur. My name is Ranjana Tharwan and I am a faculty of economics at SRN International School, Jagatpura, Jaipur. Today I am going to explain the topic environment of grade 12. So let's start. Environment is defined as all those conditions and their effects which influence human life. It is the sum total of surroundings and the quality of resources that affect our quality of life. According to the Environmental Protection Act 1986, environment is comprised of biotic and abiotic components. Following observations highlight the significance of environment. Environment offers resources for production. It includes physical resources like minerals, wood, soil, which are available to us as a free gift of nature. These resources are used as inputs for production. Environment sustain life by providing genetic and biodiversity. Example, basic requirement of life like sun, water, air, soil. Production and consumption activities generate waste. This occur mostly in the form of garbage. Where does it goes? Environment observes it. Environment enhance quality of life. Surrounding includes river, oceans, mountains and deserts. Man enjoys these surroundings adding to the quality of life. Two basic problems related to environment are problem of pollution and problem of exploitation of resources. Pollution refers to those activities of production and consumption which challenge purity of air and water and thereby pollute the environment. It is a serious emerging challenge related to the process of growth, particularly related to the process of industrialization. Pollution has three forms. Air pollution. Air carries oxygen, which is an essential element of life. Pollution of air implies pollution of an essential element of life. In the process of economic growth, air pollution has increased because of the smoke released from industries, thermal power plant, and automobiles. Air pollution causes hypertension, asthma, respiratory and cardiovascular problems. These are very deadly diseases. Noise pollution, also known as environmental noise or sound pollution. It is the propagation of noise which ranging impact of the activities of human and animal life, most of them harmful to a degree. The source of outdoor noise worldwide is mainly caused by machines, transport, and propagation system. India has major water pollution issues. Discharge of untreated sewage is the single most important cause for pollution of surface and groundwater in India. There is a large gap between generation and treatment of domestic wastewater in India. Second aspects of environmental problem relates to excessive exploitation of resources, natural resources called natural capital. Let us attempt a brief description of the problem of deforestation. Cutting of trees in a large scale is called deforestation. Trees are cut to meet the growing demand for wood and other forest products by the industries. Multi-purpose river valley projects are another factor contributing to deforestation. Rapidly growing population not only increase pressure on marginal lands, over-exploitation of soil, overgrazing, overcutting of wood, soil erosion, slinting, floating, but also increase excessive use of fertilizers, pesticides, causing land degradation and water pollution. A large section of the Indian population is poor. These people cut trees for fuel and they sell wood to earn their livelihood. These cause a massive erosion of natural capital. Increasing urbanization has caused pressure on housing. It has resulted in increasing demand for land. Increasing use of chemical fertilizers and pesticide has also added to environmental pollution. The general public in India tends to disregard the civic norms. Following measures need to be taken to protect environment. There is an urgent need to spread social awareness about the effects of pollution and the way each individually can combat it. It is absolutely essential to check rising population if environment is to be protected. Extensive afforestation campaign should be launched to protect environment. Waste management, rivers, waters should be kept clean and provision should be made to supply clean drinking water to the rural areas. The Environmental Protection Act was passed in 1986 in India. Its objective is to check the state of environment. This law should be strictly enforced. I hope you have understand the topic very well. If you have liked my video, please like, share and subscribe. Bless you all. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.